Good morning. Today I am doing a cleaning motivation video because I have Daniel coming to stay with me. He's arriving tonight about 7 p.m. and he's staying for a week. I'm sure some of you remember Daniel. He is Australian, but he lives here in Canada and he now lives in Calgary, and we became friends when I was here about 2 years ago, and he's coming to stay for a week, so I need to clean and get organized, and I thought I would film it and turn it into some cleaning motivation for you. In the last few days, I've actually had my living room turn into a complete vision board, mind map, all this kind of thing. I had stuff all over my TV before and I just was sticking things to the walls, just trying to figure things out. This we made in my live last week. So I did a live on my YouTube channel and I got all of you to help me put this together, and it's basically a mind map and ideas of different areas of your life that you would like to maybe make some changes in. It was really fun doing it as like a group effort. I just don't know where to put it now. I had it out here when I had all of my little bits and pieces out here trying to figure my life out. But it was a really fun exercise and I think I want to do more lives like that. It is saved on my channel, so I will have it linked down below. But it was a really fun group project to get in and make this mind map. I've just decided I'm going to rotate my rug because it's starting to get really worn just here from where I'm always walking, and then over here it's still just a little more fluffy where I basically never walk. So I think it's time to do a little flip. The only problem is the leg of this couch has worn a hole into the rug, and I just lifted this up and there's so much dust under here. I don't know if it's dust from wearing the hole or like what happened, but I don't know. I think I'm still gonna rotate it and hopefully there isn't a hole on this side. I don't think so. No, I mean, like, it's wearing through and you can see that it's wearing through, but it's definitely not as bad as the other one. But I want to rotate it anyway because less fluffy there, more fluffy here, and I just don't want it to be too uneven and have like a really big worn patch over here and then over here basically be brand new. So let's do it.
All the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Super happy with it. I can't work out if the couch and the rug has actually just shifted this way a little bit in my moving. It feels very far this way. I can always change it later, but so much happier that it's nice and fluffy, fresh carpet over here. And then in the corner, there's the little hole, but it's really not that bad. So really happy I did that. It's been on my mind for a little while, so I can check that off the you know, longer to-do list of things. Anyway, let's keep getting into it.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
kitchen is pretty much done. I do have a few dishes that I need to put in the next load for the dishwasher because it was just too much. And then I also put all of my recycling into this bag, grabbed all my rubbish, pizza box, all that. We'll take that out and then I'll get in and clean my mirror and then do this little thing here behind me that always gets so dusty. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Okay, kitchen is done. I really have to clean my bedroom. It is so messy, and about like a month or so ago, just before I went to Greece, I started to do the wardrobe switchover and I never really finished it. So I still have some boxes of clothes down there, and I just have so much to sort. So it's a mess. I'm gonna try and fix it up this afternoon just a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna start with washing my bed sheets and putting away the clothes and the jackets that I threw here this morning. done. I just have to remake the bed, but it feels a lot better in here now that I've managed to clean up this mess. I still need to buy coat hangers. I haven't had a chance to do it and it's been like a month or two, and I still need to sort through my winter and summer clothes, but it was like nice for a week and then cold for a week and then I left, and now I've been back and I haven't done it. So I will do that very, very soon, but I need to unpack the dishwasher now and then repack it because I made rice paper rolls and I have all of these dishes now. So unpack the dishwasher, do this, and then I have to do the bathroom as well. I have a bit of a problem. I've accumulated so many mugs and cups that I don't really have any room left in these cupboards. I probably do at the top, but I think I need to reorganize it, and also plastic cover from this side has fallen down, and yeah, that's gonna be a job for maybe later because I really do need to get in and clean the bathroom. And let's be honest, I'm just gonna have coffee tomorrow morning anyway, but I need to do the hallway and the bathroom. Okay, last thing I have to do is the bathroom, which is a mess. I still have to finish kind of unpacking some of my toiletries bags for my trip because then I went away again and I haven't had a chance to do it. I'm also trying to use up the last of my travel bottles so that I can clean them and put them away, because if I don't, I feel like they get yuck and then you just buy more, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna get in and give this a really nice clean. The shower's not too bad because I didn't use it for a few weeks, but I'm still gonna get in and do a proper clean. I also have a bikini in there that I wore yesterday that I really need to take out. Bathroom is all done. I am actually going to put on a load of all of the towels and everything because the bed sheets are done. I actually made the bed, but I forgot to film it, but I'm gonna finish this up with throwing on a load of all of the towels.